This Christmas, let's bring the magic of the season to life, one handmade touch at a time. DIY Christmas decor isn't just about saving money, it's about adding heart, creativity, and joy to every corner of your home. From sparkling accents to cozy handmade touches, these ideas make your space feel warm, personal, and full of festive spirit. Today, we'll walk through 3 easy steps to create your own holiday magic, designing your decor, adding festive details, and styling your finished look. Whether you're decorating a small corner or your entire home, these DIY Christmas ideas bring sparkle and meaning to your celebrations. Every great design begins with inspiration. Think about the feeling you want your space to reflect: cozy and classic, modern and bright, or rustic and warm. Let that mood guide your color choices, textures, and arrangements. The goal is to create something that feels truly you. Start with what you already have and imagine how small creative touches can transform it. The simplest ideas often make the biggest difference when infused with care and imagination. What kind of Christmas decor do you love most, traditional, modern, or something completely unique? Tell us your favorite holiday style in the comments below. Now comes the magic, the details. This is where you make your decor come alive. Add layers, balance your colors, and create contrast between sparkle and simplicity. It's the little touches that make your decorations truly memorable. Play with light and shadow, and don't be afraid to experiment. The holidays are about creativity and warmth. Every small idea can add a personal story to your space. If these DIY Christmas decor ideas brought a little holiday magic your way, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves crafting for the season. Once your decor is ready, it's time to bring it all together. Arrange your creations throughout your home, on tables, walls, or cozy corners. Combine different textures and heights for a rich, layered look that feels joyful and inviting. Add final touches that tie everything together: soft lighting, warm colors, and cozy textures. Each handmade piece tells a story, creating a home filled with meaning and festive charm. And there you have it, your cozy, creative DIY Christmas decor. With just a little imagination, you've turned simple ideas into something magical. It's not about perfection, it's about joy, togetherness, and the warmth of the season. For more cozy holiday inspiration, festive DIYs, and decorating tips, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell for new videos every week. So this Christmas, craft with love, decorate with heart, and fill your home with memories that shine as bright as the season itself. Merry Christmas and happy decorating!